Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to understand operations management and under that monitoring and measurement, how it plays an important role in controlling the operation. These are all the various subheadings that we are going to cover, the purpose or the need of that, why it's important to have efficiency, monitoring and measurement, effectiveness, how to define that, and certain examples. The purpose, we all know that something cannot be improved, it can be operation also, something cannot be developed until and unless we are going to have a monitoring and measurement system for that particular things. So that is the reason why we need to have this particular operation of monitoring and measurement to control any other value addition operation that we are going to do. So efficiency means to say it's a ratio of output to the input. So if it is more, then it is very good for our operation. When we talk about the percentage, it should be as close to 100% as much possible. So we can easily increase this particular ratio either by increasing the output or by decreasing the input resources, whatever that we are going to use. So when we are having a very highly efficient operation, that means to say it significantly boosts our bottom line figures in the organization. So effectiveness means to say it's the ability to have an impact. So when we are having a more ability to do the impact, that means to say it's going to significantly benefit us and also for our organization, then we can easily do that particular operation as it makes a lot of sense. We understand how to define this particular monitoring and measurement system. So we need to be clear with respect to goal or the objective where we are going towards, and then it makes a lot of sense to monitor and measure that. And is it really feasible to have this kind of a monitoring and measurement? Like, is it going to be really commercially viable? Is there any already an equipment or some kind of system that's available? And is it able to detect the dynamic behavior of this particular operation? And finally, we can easily monitor that and we can have a closed loop system in having this kind of a monitoring and measurement system for any particular operation itself. So when we talk about certain examples for efficiency, we can understand that it is more to do with the resource management, like time, how quickly we can easily do that particular task, or how quickly a decision is going to be made. From the manpower point of view also, like how less manpower we are going to use to get the more things done, how less material we are going to use, how less energy we are going to use, and how quickly we are going to do a transportation, or how shortest period of time or shortest distance that we are going to have in the transportation that we are going to deliver our components to our customers. So all this plays a very important role in managing the resources and increasing the profits of the organization. So when we talk about an example for effectiveness, we can easily understand that customer satisfaction itself is one of the very highly impactful effectiveness measure we can have. So if we are having a more customer satisfaction, that means to say we can have much more business and projects from that particular customers. So the overall success of the organization significantly increases. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much.